Hi, it's Magli here from Mattitude, and today I'm very excited to present our plastic-free leaves bar deodorants, available in 3 amazing scents. First, sandalwood, which has a rich and earthy undertones; herbal musk, which has a sweet, musky vanilla scent with a mix of citrus zest and herbs; and sea salt, a mineral scent that reminds us of the seashore. They're packaged in convenient tubes that you can easily bring on the go. The formula glides on easily and provides you with a long-lasting protection without containing aluminum or baking soda. The line is part of our plastic reduction initiative with their innovative plastic-free and eco-friendly packaging made entirely of recyclable and biodegradable cardboard. We raise the bar one product at a time. Our products are EWG verified, which means they don't contain any ingredients of concern. They're PETA certified, which means they're vegan and cruelty-free. The 2 main ingredients we use are white clay, which absorbs moisture and helps keep you dry all day, and magnesium hydroxide, which prevents bad smells. We also include watercress, Indian cress, and rosemary superleaf extracts, which are antioxidants. These agents, in combination with nourishing ingredients like castor oil and jojoba oil, will keep your underarms protected, dry, soft, and smelling fresh all day. To use, push on the bottom to release the product. Press gently on your dry skin and allow the product to soften upon contact of your underarm before applying. What I like about these plastic-free deodorants is how gentle they are, made with clean ingredients and above all, effective. That's our promise to you. We hope you get to try out our deodorants. Feel free to browse through our entire leaves bar collection. Thank you and see you next time.